No, definitely no. It's been too long. 6 months of winter. Patience is thinning. You know, I'm not sure if Canadians are really allowed to believe in spring. You see, April is on its way, but it usually doesn't seem that way at all. The thing about spring in Ontario is that nothing is consistent. One moment, a day full of beautiful sunshine, 15 degrees. The next week, freezing rainstorms that cancel schools, close roads, etc. This is spring in Canada. I want to go out herping, and that's not going to happen when this is the weather we have outside. All I can think about right now is that frog in our last herping video and what he's thinking. He's probably not having a really good time.
That's him saying happy spring.
I really don't think he's having a good time. Guess what, buddy? I'm not having a good time either. Nuh-uh. I'm going back inside. No, thank you.
Okay, that's bad.
Oh my god! Holy sh**! Holy sh**!
So here we are the next morning, a little bit of the aftermath. The storm got a lot worse. Ooh. Just listen to that. Sorry, I'm a bit cold. I probably should have worn a coat. You can hear ice crackling everywhere. There's not a single moment of silence. It's like popcorn outside. I need to be careful. There's branches everywhere falling in the trees. It's kind of dangerous. Not safe. You fall on me. No more Reptiliatus. Hopefully not all of you want that. Oh man, this is all gonna go away quickly. So thought I would record a bit of it to show you all before this wonderland is gone. Excellent. You know, you just need to stretch and it just feels so good. All right. Oh, bright. The sun is coming out. That's nice. Last thing I want to do here is give a quick shout out to some fellow YouTubers. These guys aren't just any fellow YouTubers. I'm proud to say that they are also Canadian YouTubers. I'm allowed to be a little patriotic, no? If you guys haven't heard of Odd Couple Reptiles, Nat and Tyler have a pretty sweet channel. These guys have an amazing reptile collection and they film some pretty cool videos of their animals. If you like monitors, waxy monkey tree frogs, gargoyle geckos, chameleons, tortoises, they got a little bit of everything for you. Did I mention that they're Canadian? Represent. All jokes aside, guys, you're definitely missing out if you don't check out their channel. I'm going to be posting a link below. And I would seriously encourage you to go check out their channel and sub them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Otherwise, till next time, hope you all have a wonderful Easter weekend for those of you that celebrate Easter. And I look forward to updating you guys soon. Take care, guys. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. So bright.